Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, I am a student teacher of FYB8 from Arihant College of Education. Thanks to St. Joseph School, which has given opportunity for making this video of subject mathematics for standard 6th, and myself Kalyani Kumari.
Morning students. So today we are going to start a very interesting topic. So before starting the topic, I will ask some question to you. And as we know, due to this pandemic, we are not able to come in real class. So I will try to make, not I only, we will try to make this session more interactive, this class more interactive, as I will ask question to you and you will solve the question in your notebook. Then I will solve that question on the board. Then we will compare that. You will compare that the question is right or wrong. Okay, students? So let's ready for the question. Okay, student, tell me what is fraction? What is fraction? I will wait for 2 or 3 seconds and then I will tell you the answer. Think, student. Till then, you think. What is fraction? Okay, fraction is a part of whole. It is a part of whole. So it has numerator and denominator. As we know, it has numerator and denominator. A fraction has, see here student. See student. So as I have written 5 upon 7. As I have written what? 5 upon 7. This is a fraction and it has numerator and denominator. So compare it, student. Is it right or not? You have written right or not? Okay. So let's move to the next question. We will move towards next question. So a student, see this. If I will ask the fraction of saddle region, okay? As you know, part of whole. So what will be the fraction of this orange region? Think, a student. Okay. I hope you all have written in your notebook. See here, student. It is what? One part is orange and the total whole is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I hope you all have solved this sum. So now we will move to the next question. How we will solve this, student? Solve it. Okay? Try to solve it, student. I hope you have tried this question. See. See here, student. As the denominator were 2 and both the, you can see here denominator is 2 and 2. So I have taken LCM as 2 and then I have written this 5 here, plus sign here and this 3 here. So 5 plus 3, that is 8 and this is 2. So this is also a type of fraction. This question, student, which I am writing here. Solve it, student. I hope you all are solving. Okay, try to solve it. Okay. Now I will solve this question. So watch it. See here student, as it is 5 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3, so the LCM will be 3. Denominator are same, so the LCM is same, 3. And I have written here 5 minus 1, minus sign and this 1 here. So 5 minus 1, that is 4. 4 divided by 3, it is also a type of fraction. Okay, I think you have solved this, and I hope your answer is okay. Your answer is right. So in today's class, students, we are going to learn about multiplication of fraction, reciprocals and division of fraction. With this all comes under operations on fraction. Operations on fraction. Operations on fraction. So the first topic we will see is multiplication of fraction. See here. Now we will see multiplication of fraction. So for multiplication of fraction, let's see an example. I am writing here. If you will write, see here student, this is what 2 upon 3 multiplied by 5 upon 4. 2 upon 3 multiplied by 5 upon 4. So for this, you already know that the number which is on the top is numerator and the number which is at the bottom is denominator. In this case also, this is numerator and this is denominator. So in multiplication, what you will do, you will multiply a student, this numerator to this numerator. Okay, this numerator to this numerator, and this denominator to this denominator. Okay, so see here. What you have seen here, what I have written, student, 2, this 2 here, 2 into 5, because both the number are in numerator, so 2 into 5, and here 3 into 4, this number are in denominator. So the product of numerator I will write in numerator, and the product of denominator I will write in denominator. So see here, 2 into 5, what it will be, a student? 2 5s are, what it will be? Okay, so 2 5s are is 10. So the product of numerator, these two are in numerator. So product of numerator I have written in numerator. And here these two are in denominator. So 3 into 4 means 3 4s are. 3 4s are what? 3 4s are 12. 3 4 are 12. So the product of numerator I have written here in numerator, and the product of denominator I have written here in denominator. In this way you will solve the question of multiplication. Okay student? So uh, see here student. You can read here, when multiplication of two fractions, the product of, see here student, when multiplying two fractions, the product of the numerator is written in the numerator and the product of the denominator is written in the denominator. Okay students, so you all will learn this. When you are multiplying two fraction, then the product of numerator you will write in numerator and the product of denominator you will write in denominator. Okay students? Solve second question of practice set 12, which is a word problem. See here student, Ashok Rao planted bananas on 2 by 7 of his field of 21 acres. What is the area of the banana plantation? So, for solving this question, first of all, you should understand the question. One of the farmer whose name is Ashok Rao. He has 21 acre land and he has planted bananas on 2 by 7 of his land. So, see here student, Ashok Rao, one of a farmer, he has 21 acre land. 21 acre land. He has planted 2 by 7 of this land. He has planted bananas on 2 by 7 of his land. So see here, Ashok Rao has planted bananas on 2 by 7 of this land, which is of 21 acre. So nothing we have to do very hard. It is very easy to understand. He has done bananas plantation on 2 by 7 of this land. This land is of 21 acre. So in pictorial form I have written this to make you understand. Now I will write the full sentence. What I have written here, student? Ashok Rao planted bananas on 2 by 7 of his land. 2 by 7 of his land. What is his land? That is 21 acre. So, the area under banana they are asking. So, I will write here. Area of bananas plantation. Area of banana plantation equals to, see here student, why I have written 2 by 7 of 21? 2 by 7 multiplied by 21, because I have told you previously that 2 by 7 of his land, 2 by 7 of means multiplication, and his land, how much his land was? 21 acre. So 2 by 7 of means multiplication, 2 by 7 of his land is 21 acre. So You will write like this. You will cancel out it. So see here student, 2 by 7 of 21 I have done. So 7 3s are 21 and I have cancelled this 21 by 7. 7 is 7, 7 3 are 21 and now I have multiplied both this numerator 2 into 3 that is 6. So he has done bananas plantation on 6 acres. You can see here student, he has done bananas plantation on 6 acres of his land. As he has as I have cancelled here, 7 1 is 7, 7 3 are 21, 3 into 2 that is 6 acres. Okay student, is it clear? Student, now we will see reciprocals. After multiplication we will do reciprocals. See here, reciprocals. The another name of reciprocals is multiplicative inverse. So I will explain this with the help of one example. Let's I have taken 7 as a number. So if it is this number is 7, so 1 will be in its denominator. 7 is numerator and 1 is denominator. Clear student? So how you will get the reciprocal? How will you get the reciprocal? So when you will change, interchange the numerator and denominator, position of numerator and denominator, you will get reciprocal. See here how you will get. What I have done here, initially 7 was numerator and 1 was denominator. In this case, I have interchanged. I have changed the place of denominator. Here in this side, it has become numerator and this numerator has become denominator. Means only you have to flip the position. You have to invert it. You have to interchange the position of numerator and denominator as I have done here. 7 by 1. So it is 1 by 7. Only you have to change the position. Okay student? Clear? I think it is clear. Okay. So see here student, one thing, note it down. If I have written here 7 by 1, as initially the question was 7 by 1, so what was its reciprocal? See here student, 7 by 1 was a fraction initially and the reciprocal of this fraction is 1 by 7. So when you will multiply this fraction by this reciprocal, you will get 1. Okay, see here. What I have written here, this fraction 7 by 1, sign of multiplication, and this reciprocal which is 1 by 7, I have written here 1 by 7. Okay students, see here, you can cancel it as 7 1 is 7. This is 7 1 is 7 and this is also 7 1 is 7. You in numerator you can say here also 1, here also 1, and in between these two multiplication, sign of multiplication is there. And in denominator also 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 that is 1, 1 into 1 that is 1. So 1 divided by 1 that is 1. So you are getting here 1. When you will multiply the fraction and reciprocal, you will get 1. Okay student? So you should see one statement here. when the product of two number is 1. When the product of two number is 1, each of the number is the multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of each other. Multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of the each other. So here also we are getting 1 after multiplying the factor, this fraction and this reciprocal, we are getting 1. Okay students, got it? We will solve practice set 13 and the first question is write the reciprocals of the following numbers. Write the reciprocals of the following number. So I have explained you reciprocal. So in that way only you have to solve this. See 11 by 13. What I have told you? To flip the number. Flip the number means you have to change the position of numerator and denominator. So see here student. Reciprocal of 11 by 3 is 3 by 11. Got it? I have changed the position. It was the fraction initially and after changing the position of numerator and denominator, it has become 3 by 11. Only you have to do this only. Okay student, got it? Now solve this question. 5 upon 13. You have to write the reciprocal of 5 upon 13. See. So reciprocal of 5 upon 13 is 13 upon 5. Got it student? Now you all will tell me how to solve this too. Okay. So first what we should do? We should convert it into what? Convert it into what? Fraction. So see here. If any number is given in the form of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so you always you will recall that in denominator it has 1. Already it has 1 in its denominator. So only I have written here 2 upon 1. This one is already in the denominator of this type of number, this counting numbers. So see here. What you will do here for reciprocal of 2? You will interchange the position. See 2, as you can write it like this, 2 by 1. So reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Getting it, student? If you want to write it in this form, you can write it like this also. Means if you are writing 2, then also it is okay. If you are writing 2 by 1, then also it is okay. Both are the same thing. So reciprocal of 2 or 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. Got it, student? I hope it is clear to all of you. We'll see the division of fraction. So see here, carry out the following divisions. So we have to carry out the division. How you will divide? So for dividing, you should know, first you should know this statement. What is written here? See. You can see here, student. To divide a number by a fraction. To divide a number by a fraction. is to multiply it by the reciprocal of the fraction. If you have to, if you have to divide a number, if you have to divide a number, then you will multiply the number by the reciprocal of the fraction. As I am telling you, it may be possible you are not getting, but when I will solve, you will get. Okay? So see here, watch it carefully, student. See, what was the student? To divide, what was the statement? To divide a number. So here 2 by 3 is a number. So I have to divide 2 by 3. To divide a number by a fraction, this is the fraction. To divide this number by this fraction, I have to multiply. See how you will write here? This is the number. You have to divide this number by this fraction. So to divide a number by the fraction, you have to multiply. So I have given sign of multiplication. You have to multiply this number by the reciprocal of this fraction. What will be the reciprocal? Student, as I have told you, what will be the reciprocal of this 1 by 4? What will be the reciprocal? Tell me. That will be 4 by 1. So I will write here 4 by 1. See. So it has came in multiplication form. Now what you will do? I have written 2 into 4 because these two are in numerator. 2 into 4 upon 3 into 1 because these two are in denominator. So 3 into 1. So what you will get? 2 4s are 8, 3 1s are 1. Sorry, 3 1s are 3. So I have got here 8 by 3. When you will multiply, when you will divide 2 by 3 by this fraction, you will get 8 by 3. Got it, student? See, watch it carefully. Let's move to the second question. Okay, students? So see here, this is also a number. See, 5 by 9 is a number. So I will write here 5 by 9. You have to divide this number by this fraction. What you have read in that statement? To divide a number by a fraction, you have to multiply this number. You have to multiply this number by the reciprocal of this fraction. So what will be the reciprocal of this fraction? It will be, think a student, what it will be? Reciprocal of 3 by 2? It will be 2 by 3. So you will write here 2 by 3. Okay? Then these two are in numerator and these two are in denominator. So right here. So I have multiplied this. 5 2s are 10, 9 3s are 27. Okay. Let's move to the next. Here. Now you will tell me how to solve. Okay, student? So see here. This is your number. Okay. Is it your number? You have to divide this 3 by 7 by this 5 by 11. So what you will do here? You will change this sign of division into sign of multiplication. Then this. Now what you will do here? You will take the reciprocal of this number. So take the reciprocal of this number. Now first you tell me What will be the reciprocal of this number? 5 by 11. What will be the reciprocal of this 5 by 11? That will be 11 by 5. So I have written here 3 into 11. Numerator get multiplied by this numerator 3 into 11. And here 7 into 5. Denominator 7 get multiplied by this denominator 5. So now tell me 11 into 3. 11 threes are 33. And this 7 fives are that is 35. Okay, so I hope you got the idea how to solve this. Watch it carefully, student. So in today's class we have learned about multiplication of fraction, reciprocals and division of fractions. So in next class we will learn about decimal fractions.
So, student, now we will take a quick recap. See here, multiply 4 upon 11 into 2 upon 7. So, multiply it, student. Answer is 8 upon 77. Compare it. The next question is write the reciprocal of the following number. See here, this is 6 upon 7. Write the reciprocal of this, that is 7 upon 6. Next question is carry out division. Divide 11 upon 12 to 4 upon 7, means 11 upon 12 divided by 4 upon 7. So what will be the answer, student? C. 77 upon 48. Let's move to the application part. So student, I have prepared a Google form to all of you and I have given the link of this Google form in the description box. So you will go there and solve this Google form and submit it to me. Okay? So now a student, in this slide, we will see the homework. You will solve whatever the question is given in this slide. So first question is write the reciprocals of the following number, that is 6 upon 8. Then second question is multiply 6 upon 3 to 5 upon 2. And the third question is of the total number of soldiers in our army, 4 by 9 are posted on the northern border and one third of them on the northeastern border. If the number of soldiers in north is 5,40,000, how many are posted in the northeast? So you will do this homework in your notebook. Okay, students? So thank you.